news. I just purchased another project. This one's gonna be a little bit a while, but off camera I did some work a little bit, but it does need some work still. Like I said, it's a project car. I'm excited to make a video of this. Off camera I installed these end wheels, and I know that it does have lowering springs in the front. It doesn't have lower springs in the back, so I'm going to install that. When I bought this project car, the person gave me the lowering springs and also gave me the wheels, so I love it. As of right now, I'm organizing the trunk. There's some wire issues that I have to deal with in the future video. Like the example, they cut this for some reason, I don't know why, but it was a disaster. So just organized here. I gotta organize that. Do what else? These are the parts that I took off. The M wheels. It came with some tints as well. It does need body work. M wheels. I do not like this, do not like that. So I'm gonna replace this, the front bumper, maybe the hood, and the headlight. For some reason I think somebody painted over it because it's like weird. Same thing as this. I don't know what's going on here, but I know that in the morning there's some moisture inside. So, and I'm gonna replace the front bumper, the grill. I might change the grill. I got the lowering springs here they gave me. I purchased this on eBay, but one of the connections kind of broken off when I got shipped, and so I'm gonna return that. Let's check the inside. The mileage was 180, 170 something maybe. It wasn't too high. But the interior ain't bad. I'll tell you that right now. This is a little damage. I gotta replace that. Doors is fine. It's like a dark brown. This works. There's a little crack by the heat. This as well. I'm gonna might repair it and texture coat it. See, that's fine. I'm gonna change the unit in the future. Everything is fine here. Key fob, I might replace this one due to the missing key. I ripped it out because the key got stuck, so I'm gonna replace that. Yeah, I need some paint job. Do what else? Seems like this is very common. The trunk release switch broken off, so I replaced that as well. But yeah, so I'm gonna probably jump back and forth on this car and the Acura. The Acura, just a little maintenance. I might change the timing belt on that, change 4 tires, a sway bar link, and that's it. That's my daily. But yeah, this is gonna be my project car. Hopefully I get some sponsors for it. I got a couple websites that I go for European parts. But yeah, it's actually, and this is actually a 2006 330i. So yeah, it's an amazing car. The engine needs some work. I might have to do some type of coolant system leak, other type of leaks. But yeah, this is an amazing vehicle. When I saw it, I loved it. I fell in love with it. But yeah, future comes.